gain access to the first order landing pad now. You think that I would put any value in loyalty that can be bought? Is there someone who this person belongs to? Can you put them back in their crate before I put them in my crate dragon?
Sound crazy.
Don't do that, man. You have a good day, though. Man, you staring at me. It's creepy now.
Why are you surveilling me, traveler?
Gotta get the intel.
I'm sorry, what?
I gotta get the intel.
The intel.
Yeah.
So covert of you.
I'm surprised you can see me.
I'm surprised you're not disappearing into the background wearing camouflage such as you are.
Now he practiced.
He did.
Oh, man.
Sir, did you find what you were looking for?
You said you've deployed patrol units, Lieutenant.
Yes, sir.
I ask because I didn't see them. I want stormtroopers crawling this outpost. Until we have what we need, no one rests. You don't rest. Understood?
I want recon and patrol units in the streets! If that spy is here, I want her found. Failure is not an option for any of us. Understood? Move out! Move aside!